Hey guys, Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. I just filmed the cutest reel for Instagram and I thought I would take it here to YouTube, slow it down a little bit, and share how I did it. I think I used maybe 4 bobby pins total, so it was really easy, took less than a couple minutes. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to learn how to do it, make sure to stick around. All right, let's get into it. You're just gonna use your thumbs to guide the part line and then gently pull back a section of hair from the crown. Use your fingers to soften the section if you need to, and then what we're gonna do is fold the left part of this section over the right part, and then just take a bobby pin, and where your finger is holding that section tight, just slip the bobby pin right in. Gather a section of hair from the front, maybe an inch or so thick, and then you can pull out any bangs if you want. This just makes the style look more feminine and romantic. And then twist this section away from your face. You're gonna follow the line from that first section and just wrap it over to where the bobby pin is. Holding the bottom of that twist tight, use your other hand to gently pull and tug on that twist. This is gonna add volume and make that twist look a lot bigger. Then you're just gonna wrap it around your finger and pin it in place with a bobby pin. Stretch that twist until you get the look that you want. Make sure all the bobby pins are hidden, and then start on the other side. The end of that twist, kind of nestle underneath that second twist. We're just going to pin it in place and then go ahead and stretch those twists together so that they kind of all look like one big piece. Right? If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you try it, make sure to tag me on Instagram, Twist Me Pretty, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!